Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's have a look at another setup on Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT. So again, probably my favorite setup. So from the high in Caterpillar that we had back in January, January 16th to be specific, we have a nice ABC down, okay, and just a simple 5 down for A. We had this very complex correction in wave B, this sideways fuckery, if you will. And then we had just a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for C, okay? So 5, 3, 5, ABC zigzag. We've certainly seen this before multiple times, and we know how this usually plays out. So again, A and C equality relationship, love to see that, and that came in at 130, 121, and we essentially just nicked that. Intraday went slightly below it, but actually closed above it. And intraday went as low as 129.43, but looking really good there. And also, so of course we have our corrective channel, and this has very much contained price, and that's very indicative of a corrective pattern. And also the slope analysis. Okay, so if we take just a simple trend line, and we look at the slope of wave A, we drag this over, compare it to the slope of wave C, and you can see that A certainly sharper than C. C is far shallower, which is desirable. It's the most common tendency in a zigzag to have a weaker slope on C than you do on A. So looking great there. And also we have bullish divergence on our MACD moving averages here. So even though price made a lower low, this MACD did not. And same with our RSI, even though price made a lower low here, RSI actually made a low here and made a higher low over here. So very nice bullish divergence there. Definitely a nice signature to have at the bottom. And now it looks like we're potentially working our first, impulse wave out of this correction to the upside. So I'm definitely liking the upside here. I've currently just added some Caterpillar stock to my long-term retirement accounts, although I'll be certainly looking to do some sort of bullish shorter-term option play once I see this starting to kick off here. Probably do some call options or call spread. But for an absolute stop, your stop should be just below the low at 129.43, so I'll make it 129.42 if you have a stock position. And then if you are going to do an option play, obviously you just need a mental stop. And if it just starts moving against you, get out before too much damage is done, although that can happen pretty quickly depending on the option contract you selected. Alright, and again, new month starting on Tuesday as far as new trading month. So we could certainly see a potential kickoff of an uptrend starting there, as that's often the tendency of the markets to try and end a trend and begin a new one, kind of coinciding with month's end or month's beginning. All right, we'll certainly touch on this one again as things unfold. Serial Trader signing off.